It's here again. It is the superlative 2024 edition of the Africa biggest beauty search of all times, Ohanaeze International Beauty Pageant. It's showcasing the entirety of Igbo cultural heritage and tourism potential. Are you an Igbo girl from Abia, Anambra, Delta, Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, and River States? Do you consider yourself beautiful and bold to rule the beauty world of Igbo global community? Join the race to unite Igbo in all parts of the world. Register today and follow the League of Beautiful Paragons of Igbo origin at the Ohanaeze International Beauty Pageant. Let's show the world that we are the beauty of the earth.